let's look at this very popular format. Such types of questions have come in the CAT numerous times. So let's understand this question type. You divide by some numbers successively. In this case, you divide by 3, 4, and 7. And then you have remainders that you get respectively. So when you divide by 3, in our case, the remainder is 2. When you divide by 4, the remainder is 1. When you divide by 7, the remainder is 4. And it is successive. So you first divide by 3, then you get some quotient, you divide that by 4, and then you divide the quotient by 7. Now in such cases, you can always find the remainder of the original number by the product of these three, not by the LCM, okay, but by the product of these three numbers. So the product is 84. So you can find the remainder of the original number with respect to 84. Let's see how. You first divide by 3. That means, the number is 3 times some quotient, x, let's say, and the remainder is 2. Now you take this quotient, x, and you divide that by 4, which means x itself can be written as 4 into y, right? Remainder 1, and then of course you have a final remainder 2. Now y itself is then successively divided by 7. Hence you can rewrite the whole thing now as 3 into 4 into 7, right? You can now see where the product comes from. Into z, let's say, plus 4, right? Plus the remainder with respect to 4, of 1. And the final remainder of 2 with respect to 3, right? So now when I simplify this whole thing, I'll get 84 into something. And what we want the remainder. So the constant is more important, right? So 4 into 4 is 16 plus 1, 17. 17 into 3 is 51 plus 2. So the constant that is there at the end is 53. And that is the remainder when you divide by 84. So your answer is option 4. Great. See you for the next video.